Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Fern and this is Frank, and we're two restless retirees doing our best to try to see this beautiful world around us, and we want you to join us. So let's discover Chapel Hill, North Carolina together.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
JavaWalkerWorld. Where are we today? We're continuing this trip here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Yep. We are at Chapel Hill.
Yep.
So Chapel Hill is part of the triangle, which encompasses Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill. So they call it a triangle. But this is a big university town, which is basically this is where the University of North Carolina exists. So they are big dorms here, all kinds of campuses all around us.
Very historical.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's very nice. These big trees, a nice main street. So we're going to take a walk through Main Street.
Yep.
Probably have a little coffee or breakfast. It's early in the morning. It's only about 10:15, and it's nice and cool now. So we got to get these done because it is warm here in North Carolina at this time of the year. Here we are at the end of June, beginning of July, and she gets up into the high 80s, maybe low 90s. So
yeah, it's very hot and humid.
Yeah.
So we do things in the morning if we can, and try to do maybe shopping or something like that in the afternoon, or in the evening, and just go back into the air conditioning, which is great because
welcome to Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Welcome to Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Welcome to Chapel Hill, North Carolina.
Chapel Hill was founded in 1793 and its main economy is the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. The communities of Chapel Hill, Durham, and North Carolina's state capital Raleigh make up the corners of the Research Triangle. Downtown Chapel Hill had a great vibe and energy to it. Well, we're headed to a coffee house. I see it right there, Carolina Coffee Shop. Let's go check it out, maybe have a little breakfast.
Here we are at Carolina's Student Coffee Shop. It was started back in 1922, and it started as a post office.
for the students,
For
right?
the students, and it's been serving people since then.
Wow, that's
So,
quite a
yeah,
history, 1922.
So we're gonna have our breakfast here, so see what we ordered.
Frank looks happy. That looks good.
wow, that was wonderful.
Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as we did.
Yeah.
So if you did, give us a like, a subscribe, follow us on our socials. Would be much appreciated. And check out next Sunday because we're back on the road. Our house sit is done. And like I said, we're back on the road and see where we end up.
If you've been wondering about Trusted House Sitters, then check out our link below in our description. We have a 25% off your first year membership. It is a very inexpensive platform to be on, so it's a win-win for everybody, and you get free accommodations as you travel. Join the Trusted House Sitters family. Here's a little teaser of what's to come next week. Welcome everybody, here we are in Fredericksburg. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next week. Take care.
Let's say it's supposed